Waking up with hours. Nope, not days, not even weeks. Yes, I woke up with 1 month of battery life. As I wear this new timepiece, my mind drifts back to the Justin Timberlake flick from 2011, In Time. Have you seen it? Here's a short clip to let you know the experience of waking up with a plethora of time on your arm or wrist. Hello again. Thanks for clicking on by. New watch day. I'm so excited. I got the notification that it was out for shipment and that it finally arrived. Let's open it. Here goes nothing. Hello? Okay. You know it's good because it's in a new case. Oh, that's nice. The COROS Vertix 2S GPS Adventure Watch. Explore Perfection. What do we got here? All new GPS system, dual frequency, extended battery life, next generation optical heart rate sensor, 10 ATM water resistance, advanced global offline maps, turn-by-turn directions, 1.4-inch sapphire touchscreen, titanium bezel, backed by COROS training, wide range of activity modes. Yep, awesome. And yes, this comes with a 2-year guarantee. Oops. Come on. Nope, just... There we go. Slides right off. Ooh, nice Velcro. Oh, yes. In case you're wondering, this one is called Earth. Love the color. I'm so lucky that they let me choose my color. This is one of my favorite parts. Quiet on set. And it's a sapphire glass screen. There's the boot up. Got our barometric sensor. Looks like they kept the standard charger. That's just, oh, that's so beautiful. Comes with a watch band. Oh, it comes with 2 watch bands. Score! So your standard silicone and also a nylon one, similar to the COROS Pace 3. So the COROS Pace 3, 2-button navigation, but a button and digital dial. This one has 3 buttons, because there's also a button with the digital dial. Ooh, should we do Dutch? No, let's do English. And scan with the app. Where's my phone? This is one thing that's really cool about COROS is the setup. So you just go to Profile, swipe, add device, scan the code, boom, pairing to B19S, please wait. And then it pushes a lot of my settings to the new watch. Just clip that on right there. Clip this on right there. And then you really should charge it. There we go. Restore previous settings. Yes. And then I choose that I can restore it from the Apex 2 Pro that I was using previously. As I'm editing this, I don't know why I didn't choose Vertex 2 because it's the Vertex 2S. Sometimes I get nervous. Restored, and that's it. Then I have to set up Wi-Fi, but that I can do later. Ooh, let's put it on. Sorry, Garmin, move over. I really like that color. Brilliant watch screen. Oh yeah. Let's check the battery life. See that digital dial? OnePlus could learn a lot from this watch. So I'm at 72%. Estimated battery life is 32 days. All right. I think I can go 32 days. It really doesn't. Yeah, I like the 2S. Let me configure Wi-Fi. Standby. Wi-Fi added. Start now. GPS satellite up to date. Awesome. Let's see what the stock watch faces are. We have math. Oh, that's kind of fun. Send a watch. There's the cool math watch face. That's actually pretty neat. What are some more? Ooh, the vintage. Techwear. That one looks new. And here's the Techwear watch face. Nice. Okay, we'll play around with the watch faces a little more. What else is in the box? We have a charging cable. USB-C. Nope. USB, and that's okay. That way they control the amount of power going into the watch. But you get 2 watch bands. You get a cool pamphlet. Do we get stickers? I love stickers. Ah, yes, more stickers. I might put this on my car. Yeah. Ooh, reflective. Oh, sorry, Malacqua. Knife safety. Okay, let's try the silicone band. Although, I'm just gonna be honest, I'll probably use the Velcro band more. Okay, so the band, you just slide it like so, and it just comes right off. And I'm gonna switch the way the dials move, which is a really cool feature. So I'm gonna go back, and if you don't know how to do this, you just hold down the back button and scroll on down until you see settings. So you go to more settings, and then you scroll down to digital dial, dial location, left side, right side, and just like that, now I'm a right-handed. Oh, that screen is gorgeous. Now I wonder if they added brightness control. So we'll go back to more settings, light key shortcut, sun movement. Interesting. Vibrations on, alert on, tones, they were off, but we'll turn those on. Alarm tones, yep. Touchscreen, map and data. I'm going to say always on. Ooh, there's haptic feedback. Very nice. You might not be able to hear it. Data collection, yes. Sleep on. SpO2 on. Stress on. Altitude alert, not at this time. So a touchscreen enabled, you can't do a long press on the home screen, but that's okay. The light is brilliant. Really digging the color and the screen. Let's see which watch faces are just right on the watch.
It's the Motel Doom, so I've got to
Nice selection, COROS. Let's try the Earth. Very nice. Really responsive. The navigation, really quick. I love how you can do button navigation or touchscreen, and the touchscreen navigation is more responsive than other watches that I've used, and it's a lot faster than previous COROS watches. I'll just say that. And right out of the gate, the fact that I may not have to charge this watch for a whole nother month. Estimated battery life. Now it's 30 days because I did turn the backlight on to all day. But the look, sapphire screen, really the only thing this thing is missing is solar. But when a watch can last you more than 3 weeks, you don't really need solar. So now the watch face matches the case, the box. Speaker quality, pretty good, pretty good. Lap alert, pretty good. I would like to see them add volume control. There's a lot, that's the GPS signal. So I was able to acquire a GPS signal even though I'm in the basement of my house. Okay, let me wear this. Pretty excited. It's a new model, the Vertix 2S, and I will show you and tell you the new functionality soon. Just unbox it. I have more reading to do. There's a whole media kit. Well, for the first time on the bike, that was a good ride. That was a good ride. The COROS Vertix 2 was amazing. Oh, low heart rate alert. And what I did is I strapped on this, well, not the microphone, but my Polar H10 to compare the heart rate. It was really close, really close. Most people would agree that the chest strap is one of the most accurate ways to measure heart rate, but there's also the COROS heart monitor, which is around your forearm or your bicep. Those are also really accurate. And then I had my Garmin paired with the chest strap, and then this was doing my wrist. So right now, heart rate is 93, 92, 92, 96. So basically, the chest strap is just slightly faster. 89, 91, 90, 91. They're within beats of it there, so close. And then for fun, I wore the Balance. And there's one thing missing, and I think it's coming soon with a new feature where you can mirror your COROS to, oh, there was a bug in my hair, and I just squished it on my unboxing table. Gross. So if you notice when I lap, there's no voice. When I lap on this one,
lap 11, 648.
If you have headphones connected to this one, you don't need your phone. And then this one goes right through the speaker.
Lap 4, time 7 minutes and 2 seconds, distance 0.
So let me grab my tablet and we will do a quick summary and see how accurate and the plethora of stats COROS gives you. Oh yeah. In just a minute, we should get a low heart rate alert, but for now,
Workout paused. Workout completed. During this workout, distance 11.15 kilometers. Average speed 9.36 kilometers per hour. Workout duration 1 hour, 11 minutes, and 31 seconds.
11.15 kilometers. Nice, nice. Good stats right there on the watch. Lap details and close. Oh, this is the new Earth watch face. And then, oh, we just got the low heart rate alert. We'll do a recovery HR. I like how it auto locks. And look at that, resume later. Love that feature. Now, if I do a long press right here, we can view all the satellites within range, even though I'm indoors. Music, system, watch face, alarm, timer, satellite signal. Look at all those lovely satellites. That's such a cool feature. And finish. 6.33 miles. Training load. Aerobic, anaerobic. RPE, max speed, average speed. Max heart rate, average heart rate, elevation gain, elevation loss, love it, activity time, recovery time, 13 hours. All right, and now if I scroll right here, I'm 82% recovered. Lots of heart rate data since I unboxed it. And looks like I unboxed it and put it on right around 17:30. Cool. Recovery, 0. Interesting. And save. I'll turn off the orange shift. So we have the map, average speed, max heart rate. Goal achieved, 115 versus 164. Okay, the zones, aerobic, recovery, 16 hours. Right online. Groovy. Battery is down to 17. That road bike took off 6. My walk, -5. Sleep, +50. Battery life, 10 days. And the battery life on the COROS Vertix 2, 30 days. 50 hours of GPS used, last charged 1 day ago. Backlight 45%, all systems on, Wi-Fi system, activity alert 52 reps. Cool. I like the Pepsi watch face too. You can cycle through your stats just like other COROS watches. Really digging it. Loosen it up a bit. I think my wrists are still swollen from the ride. Garmin, you need to start shipping your watches with not just silicone, but Velcro and silicone. I did try on the silicone again. I actually quite like it. I like it a lot. Love the quick release. And it is a size, what is that? That is a small number. Size 26 millimeter band. Nice. So here are my notes from the day 1 cycling workout. Distance, almost the same. I actually forgot to start COROS a little late, and that's why the distance is off. But kilometers per hour, max speed, almost identical to the fancy EPIX. And then we have the calories, training load, average HR, max HR. Look at that. 2 heartbeats off from this fancy heart rate sensor, the Polar H10. So that makes me very, very happy with the new heart rate sensor technology. Look at that. Look how shiny. Here, we'll smudge off my, oh yeah. And then recovery time, 13.8. versus 16. You saw that in the video. And then we go to day 2. I did another workout. After missing out on the APEX 2 Pro Chamonix edition, oh yeah, this Earth model has filled the void and then some. I really enjoy wearing it. And then later that night, I love the new technology that brings to the table. There are a plethora of reasons to buy something, yet when it comes to wearables, I dissect the following. 1, what's new about it? A lot. GPS, new hardware, new heart rate sensor, new software. The battery life is just takes a small dip. Here's a screenshot of what COROS wants to communicate with you and what you can read online. I don't like to review all the specs because you can just read that. You're looking for my takeaway, which I'll be sharing. So how's it different? It's faster, stronger, better, higher durability than a lot of watches. This one, even though it was $300 more, did not come with a sapphire screen, and COROS knows how to make an outdoor watch. So here's a dog walk that I did yesterday, and the average HR 91 versus 99. Okay, Garmin was slightly lower for some reason, and then COROS was 115, and the max HR on the COROS was only 115. Now sometimes I can't read my own writing. There you go. Day 5. With the COROS Vertix 2S, and I have 12 takeaways. Number 1, the screen and the design, they're gorgeous. Number 2, increased accuracy via the new heart rate sensor. It has this multi-photo electric heart rate sensor now. It's bigger, it's better, it's faster, and it's more accurate. Number 3, sapphire screen for the true, see I'm whacking it on the, it's a true outdoor screen. 3 colors, space, moon, and earth. Here are some photos that COROS sent me to use. I wish I could take photos of all 3, maybe next year. Number 5, for workouts, oh yeah, it functions as designed and it does not disappoint. Number 6, sleep tracking. It's on par with other watches that I've used in the same price range. Number 7, recovery time, nearly the same as my Garmin EPIX 2. Number 8, battery life. If the watch is being charged, it can't be on your wrist, can it? After 5 days of heavy use, I still have 20 days left. There it is, 20 days left. How awesome is that? And an outdoor sun, this is my 10th outdoor direct sunlight test. Number 9, learning curve. There isn't really one because it's easier to use than many other smartwatches I've used. Some of those watches have been lower in price, some have been a lot more expensive. The UI is intuitive with its digital dial and 3-button navigation. Kind of 4 because the digital dial is also a button. Number 10, the training hub. It just gets better and better. I'll have a detailed review about the new functionality in the training hub next week or this weekend. Number 11, Strava. With the new April updates, COROS allows me to share and interact with all my peeps, all those weekend warriors. And that ability to synchronize my notes, if you're a nerd like me and you're taking copious notes, it's great. So good. Number 12, wearability. With many workout routines, training, you hire a coach, it can be quite difficult to, here, let's go mobile. We're mic'd up, right? And that way I'm not gonna drop my notepad. There we go. Now you get the nice sky view. I find it painless and quite comfortable to wear, and I've been wearing it 24/7 since it was unboxed because I haven't had to charge it. And yes, it has passed all of my outdoor tests. Well, thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for clicking on by. I appreciate the support from viewers like you. I'll have a deep review of this COROS Vertix 2S after I wear a little more. Again, this was just day 5, and I'll see you again with another video in 88 hours or sooner. Goodbye.